In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Adobe Acrobat Reader DC on your Windows 11 computer, a straightforward process that ensures your system remains clean and clutter-free. Whether you're freeing up space or simply switching to a different program, removing unwanted applications can keep your device running smoothly. Let's start by opening up Windows Settings. A simple and quick way to do this is by pressing the Windows key along with the letter I on your keyboard. This shortcut takes you directly to the Settings menu, which is an essential part of managing your system's software and hardware. On the left side, you'll notice a menu with various options. From there, look for Apps. Click on that and you'll see a further option labeled Installed Apps. In some versions, this might show up as Apps and Features, but they function in the same way. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to find Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. You can either scroll through the list of installed applications, or if you want to save a bit of time, use the search bar located at the top of the window. Simply type in Adobe Acrobat Reader DC and it should appear in the list below. Once you've located Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, the next step is to uninstall it. Next to the program name, you'll see a three-dot menu. Click on it. This will bring up a small menu where you'll select Uninstall. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm that you wish to remove the program. Go ahead and confirm, and the Adobe Uninstaller will begin to walk you through the necessary on-screen prompts to complete the removal process. Be sure to follow each step carefully, as the uninstaller ensures all components of the program are adequately removed. After you finish the uninstallation, it's a good practice to restart your computer. Although it's an optional step, restarting can help to ensure that all parts of Adobe Acrobat Reader DC have been thoroughly cleared from your system. This small extra step contributes to keeping your computer in peak condition. A helpful tip: if you encounter any issues during this process, Adobe provides an Acrobat Reader Cleaner tool on their official website. This tool can aid in eliminating any leftover files that might not have been removed during the standard uninstallation process, providing a more comprehensive cleanup. And there you have it, a complete guide to uninstalling Adobe Acrobat Reader DC on your Windows 11 device. Following these steps should make the process simple and hassle-free. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tech guides.